Are you tired of cluttered countertops, slow meal prep, and kitchen tools that just don't deliver? Today, we're counting down 15 incredible kitchen gadgets that can save time, improve efficiency, and make cooking more enjoyable. Whether you're a home chef or simply want smarter kitchen solutions, there's something here for everyone. And remember, every single product featured in this video is linked in the description below. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a true kitchen powerhouse. If you're tired of owning multiple appliances that take up valuable space, this all-in-one system could be exactly what your kitchen needs. The Ninja Kitchen System BL770 combines a powerful 1,500-watt motor with a blender, food processor, and personal smoothie maker in one versatile machine. It crushes ice in seconds, creates silky smoothies, mixes dough, chops vegetables, and even prepares large batches for family meals. With multiple containers and specialized blades included, it handles almost every food prep task with ease. If you want professional-level performance while reducing kitchen clutter, this system is definitely worth considering. You'll find the direct purchase link waiting for you in the video description. Which feature would you use first in your kitchen? Next up is something every kitchen needs, but often gets overlooked. Having the right tools can completely change your cooking experience. This 33-piece silicone kitchen utensil set provides nearly every essential tool required for everyday cooking. From spatulas and ladles to tongs, measuring spoons, whisks, and peelers, everything is included in one organized package. The food-grade silicone protects non-stick cookware from scratches, while the stainless steel handles offer a comfortable grip during meal preparation. It's a practical solution for new homeowners, apartment kitchens, or anyone upgrading outdated utensils. If you're thinking about refreshing your kitchen setup, the product link can be found below in the description section. Which utensil do you find yourself reaching for the most? Want to take control of your nutrition without complicated calculations? This next gadget makes healthy eating far easier than most people realize. The Etekcity Smart Food Scale goes beyond simple weighing by connecting to an app that tracks calories, protein, carbohydrates, fats, and other nutritional information. With access to a massive food database, it helps fitness enthusiasts, meal preppers, and health-conscious users make informed dietary decisions. The premium stainless steel platform delivers accurate measurements while maintaining a sleek, modern look. If precision and healthier eating are important goals, this scale can become an invaluable kitchen companion. Check the description if you'd like to explore it further. How important is nutrition tracking in your daily routine? Here's a product that challenges one of the most common kitchen essentials. What if your cutting board could be more hygienic, durable, and easier to maintain? The MOSDOOK titanium cutting board set uses 100% pure titanium construction to resist odors, stains, scratches, and food absorption. Unlike traditional wooden or plastic boards, these non-porous surfaces stay cleaner and won't trap lingering smells from ingredients like fish, garlic, or onions. With 3 different sizes included, you'll always have the right board for vegetables, fruits, meats, and larger meal prep tasks. For anyone seeking durability and cleanliness, this innovative set deserves attention. You'll find the product page linked down below. Could titanium become the future of cutting boards in your opinion? A cleaner kitchen doesn't always require a major appliance. Sometimes the smallest upgrades deliver the biggest daily improvements. The Cisily sponge holder transforms cluttered sink areas into an organized workspace. Its stainless steel construction resists rust, while the rotating drainage spout directs excess water directly into the sink instead of onto your countertop. Separate compartments keep brushes, sponges, soap bottles, and accessories neatly arranged and easy to access. It's compact, functional, and helps maintain a cleaner kitchen environment every day. If you're interested in simplifying your sink area, you'll find the product information in the description below. What's currently creating the most clutter around your sink? Moving into the top 10, here's a kitchen upgrade that can instantly improve your food prep experience. Sharp, reliable knives make every cooking task faster and safer. The Astercook 15-piece knife set delivers a complete collection of kitchen essentials, including chef, slicing, bread, utility, santoku, paring, and steak knives. Crafted from German stainless steel, these blades arrive razor-sharp and are designed for precision cutting. The standout feature is the built-in sharpener integrated directly into the block, making blade maintenance quick and convenient. If you're looking for professional-style performance without spending a fortune, this set deserves serious attention. The purchase link is available in the description for anyone interested. Which knife do you use most often during meal prep? Let's switch gears to a gadget that proves great design and functionality can go hand in hand. This toaster is built for kitchens where every inch of space matters. The Bella Slim toaster features a unique extra-long slot that easily handles artisan breads, bagels, sourdough slices, and thick-cut toast. Its compact profile takes up minimal counter space while still offering 6 browning levels for customized results. Additional functions like reheat, cancel, auto shutoff, and anti-jam technology add convenience and safety. If you're looking for a stylish appliance that doesn't dominate your countertop, this could be a smart choice. You can find more details through the link listed below. What type of bread would you put to the test first? Here's a simple gadget that can completely change how you cook, grill, bake, and prepare healthier meals at home. The TrendPlain olive oil sprayer combines 2 useful functions into one compact design. Use the spray mode for evenly coating pans, salads, vegetables, and air fryer recipes, or switch to pour mode when larger amounts are needed. The glass construction helps preserve oil quality, while precise spraying supports better portion control and less waste. It's an easy way to reduce excess oil usage without sacrificing flavor. If this sounds useful for your kitchen routine, you'll find the direct product link in the description section. Would you use the spray feature more often or the pouring option? Some kitchen gadgets save minutes. This one can save hours. That's exactly why it has become one of the most popular cooking appliances in America. The Instant Pot Duo combines 7 appliances into one machine, functioning as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. Its advanced pressure cooking technology dramatically reduces cooking times while maintaining flavor and tenderness. Whether you're preparing soups, rice, meats, or meal prep recipes, this appliance simplifies the process and reduces cleanup. For busy families and home cooks, it's a true game changer. If you'd like to check current pricing, the link is waiting in the description. Which meal would you make first with an Instant Pot? We're getting close to the top 5, and this next gadget is perfect for anyone who loves crispy food without the extra oil. The Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer uses advanced airflow technology and temperatures up to 450 degrees to create crispy, golden results with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. Beyond air frying, it can roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, reheat, proof, and more. The spacious 6-quart basket handles family-sized portions, while the ceramic-coated interior makes cleanup incredibly easy. If healthier cooking and versatile meal preparation are priorities, this appliance offers impressive value. You'll find the product link conveniently placed in the description below. What would be the very first recipe you'd try in this air fryer? Now we're entering the top 5, and this is one of the most recognizable kitchen appliances ever made. If baking is your passion, this gadget can completely transform your workflow. The KitchenAid Classic Stand Mixer features a powerful motor and 10-speed control system designed to handle everything from cookie dough and cake batter to bread dough and whipped cream. Its planetary mixing action ensures ingredients are blended thoroughly and consistently. The durable metal construction is built for years of use, while the attachment hub opens the door to countless additional kitchen functions. For serious bakers, this is more than an appliance. It's an investment. You'll find the purchase link waiting in the description below. What would be the first recipe you'd create with this iconic mixer? Sometimes the most useful kitchen tool isn't the largest one. This next product proves that a simple upgrade can make everyday tasks much easier. The KitchenAid all-purpose kitchen shears are designed for precision cutting across a wide range of kitchen jobs. From trimming herbs and vegetables to cutting poultry, opening packages, and handling meal prep tasks, these shears deliver dependable performance. The micro-serrated blades help grip materials securely, while the ergonomic handles provide comfort during extended use. Compact, versatile, and incredibly practical, they're the type of tool you'll reach for daily. If you'd like to add them to your kitchen collection, the link can be found below. How often do you use kitchen shears instead of a knife? Here's a kitchen essential that most people don't think about until they desperately need one. A reliable can opener can save time and frustration every single week. The KitchenAid Multifunction can opener combines a razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel with comfortable ergonomic handles for smooth operation. The oversized turning knob offers improved control, while the integrated bottle opener adds extra convenience. Whether you're opening canned vegetables, soups, sauces, or beverages, this compact tool handles the job efficiently. If you're looking to replace an old can opener with something more dependable, check the description for the product link. What's the most used canned item in your kitchen? We're down to the final two, and this next gadget has earned a reputation for making quick meals and drinks incredibly simple. The Magic Bullet Blender delivers fast blending performance in a compact design that fits almost anywhere. Perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, dips, and meal prep recipes. It uses a high-torque motor and specially designed blade system to process ingredients in seconds. Multiple cups and lids make preparation, storage, and portability incredibly convenient. For busy mornings and quick kitchen tasks, it's a practical addition to almost any household. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find the direct link in the video description. What would you blend first if this arrived at your door today? And finally, taking the #1 spot is a gadget that helps millions of people start their day the right way. Coffee lovers, this one is for you. The Keurig K-Elite single-serve coffee maker combines speed, convenience, and customization in one premium machine. It offers multiple brew sizes, adjustable strength settings, temperature control, and even a dedicated iced coffee feature. The large water reservoir reduces refills, while the fast brewing system delivers fresh coffee in under a minute. Whether you prefer a bold morning cup or a refreshing iced beverage, this machine provides impressive flexibility. If you're ready to upgrade your coffee experience, you'll find the product link down in the description. Which coffee style would you brew first with the K-Elite? Those were 15 amazing kitchen gadgets designed to make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, improving organization, or searching for smarter cooking solutions, these products offer something for every type of home chef. Remember, every single product featured in this video is linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this countdown, let us know which gadget was your favorite and which one you'd add to your kitchen today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.